Hey guys, in this video we're going to be covering about the text area or multi-area or multi-text in Adalo, and I'm going to show it to you how did I come up with this long text area in Adalo, because I believe this is not available by default in the form section. So what happened here is I set up to, by the way, this form itself is connected or in relation to the list called clock log. And then under the clock log, actually let's jump in here. In the clock log, I do have an option called case notes attachment. And the case notes is really pretty like it's a text. And let me show it to you how it looks if I use the case notes in here as a field. So I'm going to add a visibility, and let's say I add the case notes. It's just too small, yeah. Like even if I choose multi-line, it just doesn't make sense because case notes are long form. Like it's usually a paragraph that the support worker needs to fill in. So I look for a workaround because this one doesn't gonna work. So what I did is I created a text field. As you can see here, there is a case notes text field, that one, and you can create a text field by just simply like clicking, actually just text field like this one and just dropping that, and then you can make it longer as you want to. Okay, so what I did is I have a text field and then I make the height longer so it looks like a text area, and then obviously I add a value placeholder. You can also add a value if you want to. If you want to go crazy with the design, you can also do that. But what I did basically is in the list section, which is under the clock log, what I did is click on the list section. Actually, let's rename that as a case notes. Okay, and then I want to filter. I want to grab all the lists under the clock log, and then there is a corresponding components on that, which is the text. This is not needed really, text holder, and then the case notes input, the text field, the longer version, and then the form itself. In the form, I only added the attachment. I did not add the case notes because it's too small. But what I did is in the submit button, I bind this text input to the case notes field. Okay, to make sense to you, let me just show to you what I did. But I created something like this. The case notes, which is the long, like the short word, like the short multi-line, is I bind it to the case notes field. So yeah, hope that makes sense. And if you have any question, if you are confused of what I did, let me know. Just comment down below and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.